Okay, so Ian kind of alluded to this. We discussed about how you access your mail. And there's two components of mail that we're going to talk about that I think really are a shift in how you think that are going to improve productivity from your current use of Outlook or whether you use Lotus Notes. How many people are Exchange here? How many people are Lotus Notes? And what else are you using? What other environments are you using? Outlook? Okay, so you're using Exchange, you're using Outlook as the client software. So the first concept that Google has that I think we'll talk about is the concept of conversations. Today, when you send out an email, you send out an email to a group of individuals. Let's say you send to 10 people that are on a project team, and every one of those individuals replies back. You're going to get a reply as a separate email. And now all of a sudden, you send out, you're a project manager, or you're working with teams of people, and you send out emails to 5 people in one email, 10 people into another. All of a sudden, your inbox has 25 to 30 messages basically on one email because of those replies. And I think one of the things that Google has found is said, hey, look at the utilization of how people work together. How can we group those things and make it more easy to find stuff, as well as to follow the thread and to be able to communicate with that group? And they've created what we call the concept of conversations. So, this is an email talking about, from Allison and Ian, about whether we were going to have the workshop today, because we thought, well, maybe because of liberal leave, weren't sure whether that was going to happen. You'll notice that there are 3 emails there. And in your inbox, when you start a conversation, you'll see in quotes within your inbox numbers. You notice those numbers? Those numbers represent the number of threads or number of emails that are part of a conversation. So if I create an email and it's about a project team event and I send that out to 10 people and 10 people reply, then those 10 are going to be grouped in a conversation. You'll see next to the email parentheses 10. So instead of me getting 10 separate emails, it's going to group it into a conversation like a deck of cards. And if you see on the Google slide presentation when I go back, you view it as a deck of cards with the most recent email on top and the first email sent will be on the bottom. So in this specific case, you'll see that Allison sent an email 3 hours ago, and the first email that she sent was 18 hours ago.